Namaste guys, welcome to today's session of the Hindu analysis on the dated November 30, 2021 Tuesday. So starting our series with coming on to the first news, Parliament clears farm laws repeal without debate. So what you have to study in this, again Article 245 is coming in news, and you have to study the process of repealing a law and how many laws have been repealed in India earlier. And this article also mentioned about some parliamentary committees, so you can also refer parliamentary committees standing and ad hoc that are in nature. So another news is 12 Rajya Sabha MPs suspended for misconduct. So what you can study in this article is regarding the suspension rules, that is rule 255 and rule 256, and what are their differences. Like rule 255 is withdrawal of members. Like rule 255 of the general rule of the procedure of Rajya Sabha says that the chairman may direct any member whose conduct is in his opinion grossly disorderly to withdraw immediately from the council. This is technical language. uh, you have to study rule 255 and also rule 256, which says that the chairman may, if he deems it necessary, suspend a member from the service of the council of a period for a period not exceeding the remainder of the session. So article 2 rule 256 has been used in this case, and 12 Rajya Sabha MPs has been suspended for the rest of the session. So you can refer rule 256 of the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Also, WHO says that Omicron poses a very high global risk. So, and WHO has says that it has a high risk. You can assume it safe, as WHO has has announced that COVID-19 is not so much risky, and it has proved to be fatal. So you can safely assume whatever WHO is saying. You can safely assume it in a reverse situation. So, and you can follow proper guidelines, of course, take your vaccines, and to avoid the third wave. Coming on to the next news, Delhi won't do away with the fair price shops, government to High Court. So what you can study in this article is what are fair price shop and the scheme of doorstep ration delivery and its role in governance. Okay, so next news is, I think, on page number 6. So coming to the page number, coming to the page number 6. Yes, this is page number 6. Law. Karnataka not sharing. Where is the news? Karnataka. Tracking of passenger from South Africa begins. Yeah, here. Tracking of passenger from South Africa begins. So what you can study in this, you can refer the map location of the South Africa and the countries surrounding it, the desert, and also the grasslands of the area like velds. So important article is on page number 7. Karnataka not sharing Krishna detail. So river Krishna is coming in news. You can see its origin point, like Trambakeshwar or Mahabaleshwar. You can write down in comment section, and the dams on it, especially the Almaty Dam and the Nagarjun Dam, and its left bank tributaries, its right bank tributaries. You can write down in comment section some of the tributaries, and the whether it is east flowing or west flowing, you can also write down in comment section. And Krishna Godavari Delta, it is forming with the Godavari River in the Andhra Pradesh region, and also you can see Koleru Lake, and also you can see Interstate Water Dispute Act of 1956 and its recent amendment, like making a single tribunal and with regional benches to see across the water disputes. So coming on to the next news, it is trapped miners dig at way out after 60 hours. So this is about a coal mining. So what you can refer that important coal mines in India, its map location and coal reserves in India, and also its position in the world. Like you can write down that which country in the world has is the largest producer of coal. You can write down in comment section, and role of coal in India's energy production and types of coal that is found in India. And you can also see that types of coal that is found all around the world, like anthracite, bituminous, lignite, and peat. And you can write down in comment section that which type of coal has the highest carbon content. So with geography point of view, this is important. And why Northern Plains, you can also see why Northern Plains doesn't have coal reserves, and why Meghalaya have coal reserves in spite of being separated from the um, plains, why it has coal reserve, and why how it is connected to the Chota Nagpur Plateau and the Deccan Plateau region, and what is the role of Malda Fault. So you can also refer rat hole mining in the Meghalaya and recent concerns of judiciary over rat hole mining. So another important news is search of tiger stepped up. Search for tiger stepped up. So what you can refer in this article is Wildlife Protection Act 1972 and the sixth schedule that was mentioned in it. And schedule 1, you can see it says that you cannot kill animal mentioned in the schedule 1. A very harsh punishment will be there, but there are certain cases where it is allowed. You can see those cases in detail. So what you have to remember that in certain cases that it is allowed to kill um, the animals mentioned in the schedule 1. They are not as fully protected, like you can never kill in any situation, no, nothing like that. So moving on to the next news is Kerala High Court comes down on ego and arrogance of Khaki. So what you can refer, that's again police reforms. You can refer police reforms, especially the Fraser Commission of 1903, Padma Bhaiya Commission that was formed after the independence, and other important commission that were that recommended the police reforms. Also, you can refer the ARC commissions also that recommended the reforms in the police act. Also, you can refer the Supreme Court judgment on the Shri Prakash Singh case of the 2006, what it says about the police reforms and how many states have implemented it in reality. So coming on to the next news, yes, CID to probe death of man in custody in Mysore. Very important article regarding the custodial violence. So what you can refer that India is not adhering to the international standard. Like, although India has signed the United Nations Convention against the torture in 1997, but it has not ratified it. You can refer that convention as well, and you can also refer what are the legal and constitutional provision that has been provided in India against the torture. Like Article 21 says that right to life. Article 22(1) of the Constitution gives you right to counsel. Section 41 of the CRPC was amended in 2009 to include some safeguards under 41A, 41B, 41C, and 41D, so that arrest and detention for interrogation have reasonable grounds and documented procedures. Arrests are made transparent to family, friends, and public, and there is protection through legal representation also. And you can also refer what are its way forward. Like India should ratify the UN Convention against torture. Police reforms needed, and access to prison, like CCTV cameras should be installed in police station, including in the interrogation rooms. And you can also refer DK Basu case of 2015, very important case, DK Basu case regarding the custodial violence death. So coming on to the page number 8, yes, page number 8, regulation not ban. So this article is very important. You can refer the whole article about the crypto ban and how same case were there with foreign exchange also, like some foreign exchange regulation act were there, but it was replaced by Foreign Exchange Management Act in 1999. You can also write down in comment section that which department enforces FEMA Act, Foreign Exchange Management Act, under which ministry. So the three farm laws were never a solution. What this article is saying about, you can refer the complete article, and a very important article with respect to especially why agriculture was made a state subject instead of making it a union subject. Why? Because India has a total 15 agroclimatic zones, and every agroclimatic zones suit some other type of agriculture activities. So that's why it was made a state subject. You can refer this whole debate as well. You can refer this article as well. Another important article was about a launch window for India as a space startup hub. A very important article with respect to the privatization of space sector and New Space India Limited, NSIL, the new commercial arm of the ISRO. And you can also refer in space of ISRO. And it's helping hand to the private sector as well. And you can also write down in comment section that Department of Space comes under which ministry, whether it comes under any ministry or directly administered by PMO. So you can write down in comment section. So coming on to the next news on page number 9, boosting green hydrogen. So that is very important article with respect to the energy security point of view for India. This article talks about different ways of producing hydrogen. Like hydrogen is prepared from a more environment friendly way is known as green hydrogen, and check out for blue and green hydrogen. What are its ways, blue and green hydrogen? why it is called so, and also you can refer the HCNG, like hydrogen has the highest calorific value and it is called a future fuel. Also see methane hydrates that has been recently came in news, and its discovery in the Krishna Godavari Delta and other important locations in India on the map as well. You can refer the complete article as well. So coming to the page number 10, yes, page number 10. Supreme Court to hear cases on release of Rajiv Gandhi convicts on December 7. So this case is a mysterious mystery in itself and cover so many important topics. Like here you can refer the LTT, the Liberation Tiger for Tamil Eelam, the peacekeeping forces that were sent by India in Sri Lanka, and you can also refer the mercy powers of the president and different case laws related to it. And we will try to come with a separate video on this same issue, like mercy power of the president and the different cases related to it, but try to cover it at your own also. So coming to the page number 11. Yes, fewer terror attacks in Kashmir. So this article is saying that fewer terror attacks in Kashmir after the revocation of the, especially after the revocation of the Article 370, and in last 3 years. So it's a good news, but we will talk about this issue in our upcoming guest from Kashmir region. We will invite a guest from Kashmir region, and we'll talk about certain different issues of the Kashmir altogether in that video. So coming on to the page number 12. Yes, this article is talking about per capita out of health expenditure sees decline, the report is saying. So what you can refer the all the government schemes like Ayushman Bharat, PM Jan Arogya Yojana, and its role in implementing universal health care, and how as per the economic survey, how much out of pocket expenditure in India is currently there. You can refer this. We will try to come out with a separate video on talking about the health sector of India only as well. So coming on to the next news, why so few claims of COVID-19 ex gratia asked Supreme Court. So you can refer again section 12 of the Disaster Management Act 2005 and its role in ex gratia, the compensation. So coming on to the page number 13, this page is about international politics. You can read at least all the headlines, at least if not seeing the reading the complete article, but you can refer like this is Indian origin Parag Agrawal to replace Dorsey as Twitter CEO. This you can refer. And Sri Lankan troops break up Tamil Memorial War to to war dead. So you can again refer Sri Lankan civil war and the role of Liberation Tiger for Tamil Eelam. And Iran determined to savage nuclear deal as talks resume. So you can refer also Iran nuclear deal as well. Coming on to the page number 14, business page. So net direct tax rose 68% till November 23, Ministry of MOS, whatever ministry is saying. So you can refer the what is Laffer curve and the percentage share of different taxes as per the budget, and the progressive and regressive taxation also, and proportional taxation also. You can write down in comment section that whether GST is progressive tax or a regressive tax, or income tax also, whether it is a regressive tax or a progressive tax. So coming to the next news, NGO seeks case against Musk Starlink. So what you can refer that space-based internet from low Earth orbit, the Starlink project is all about, and also you can refer the what is Stardust program of NASA, the National Aeronautics Space and Administration. You can refer that as well. So coming onto the page, text and context, that is very important page. The logistic behind the caste-based census. So this article is important. You can refer its history in pre-independent India and its ban during the Second World War, and recent controversy that has been arising on the caste census issues as well. Why government is denying the caste census. And yes, WhatsApp to increase its share in digital payment. So you can also refer the RBI's clause that one company cannot exceed the 33% total transaction of the 33%. So you can refer that 33% clause as well. UPI, what is UPI, what is National Payment Corporation of India, NPCI, and what are the different functions that it offers, like NEFT, IMPS, these you can refer this. next news is very important news, is a National Court of Appeal. Like recently, our Attorney General has said about the National Court of Appeal. We will try to come with a separate video on this topic. So till then, stay tuned and keep on sharing our work. So we will meet again tomorrow. Thank you.